school experiment. We're gonna cut a cupcake. Where is the cupcake?
Are you too sweet?
These are yours. You need to keep these. You can put it in the sink and I'll wash it. Yeah. Yes, you may. Will you put your straw in the sink, please?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no! What
Yes.
This was nothing like how I
Okay, so
recorded
what
it.
do you think it's going to look like inside? When you cut it open,
Because I
all of
can.
these things, what do you think
Mine's
it's
a
going
bit
to look like?
What the?
Yellow at the bottom.
I was.
Here you have to draw what
I
it looks
was
like.
way off.
When we cut it in half, what will it look
I was
like?
way off. Holy.
I finished mine.
Yes. Is it good, Avery?
Yeah, it's good.
You look like you're having trouble.
Oh my god.
Thank you, Katrina.
It's like ASMR.
Is that unexpected? That is so
It has to be green or green. It looks pretty close to my thing.
What? I don't care.
Oh, it's really close.